So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And currently here is an important update regarding the arcade cohort 1. So basically you must be aware that the price counter emails were out around 16th of July and we are approaching towards the end of the counter. Basically the price counter email will be closed on 31st of July or 30th of July mostly. So make sure to order your swags beforehand. So if you have not ordered the swags, to order it as soon as possible. The complete guide is here. So basically if you have the prices from basically the printos, basically from the novice tire to the trooper tire, you can watch this video. I have shared the step-by-step guide if you need any help like how to claim the swags. And if you have targeted different tire, basically the up to the legend tire, white square, basically where you have to place the order using a coupon, you can watch this video. Now here another important thing is that if you haven't received the prize email till now, what you have to do for that also I had made a video. Basically here you have to just email to the support with your public profile and just ask them to share the prize email. Basically sometimes what happens, the prize emails due to any glitch lands up in spam box also, so make sure to check it out. And in case the mail wasn't sent, they will just reply the accurate details. Like chances are there you might have not subscribed or you might be a genuine issue is there. Now another thing is that most important thing is that how to verify and confirm your order. So basically many of you are worried about how you can verify your order or confirm your order whether it is successfully placed or not. For all the tires and all the milestone, I had made a detailed dedicated video, you can watch it. Now, most important thing is that White Squarein and Printos are just sharing the confirmation email. So, in case you haven't received the confirmation email, must watch this video. I have shared how you can just get your swags confirmed. Basically, if you have ordered and received the order ID, yeah, that means you have got the swags. And in simple words, if you want to know how you can confirm it, basically you have to log in the white square and go to the other sections. It will show processing stage. Yes, it will show processing until it is shipped. Once the order is delivered, it will update to delivered. It won't be so in transit or out for delivery, etc. It will directly just remain processing. Now, the most important thing for printos, you have to just click on that URL. And you'll click on that URL, you'll be able to see your details, basically your address, phone number, and everything. If you are seeing this, that means your order has been placed. Still, if you want to confirm your order, you should watch this video. Now, many of you are worried when you will get the swag. So, basically, the simple answer is that they have mentioned 8 to 12 weeks, but chances are there it will arrive by at least 3 months because the swags load is also more and it will take a lot of time to get it manufactured and detailed. Basically, when you order it, they pull up the sheet and just try to connect with the vendor that they need 1500 t-shirts or etc. They just collect the data and then send to the vendor. Then the vendor prepares and then they print the Google logo and then they send us. So it will take at least 2 to 3 months. Sometimes it may arrive earlier also or delay also. So no need to worry. If you have ordered, then you'll surely get. There is no kind of anything wrong in this. Now, if you are new to this arcade program and haven't started yet, so for that you have to just watch this playlist. I will share the playlist link in the description for both the playlists. You can watch it accordingly. So for cohort 2, you can see here it is the complete guide. What are the fastest way to complete the badges, why you should not do the skill patches now, how to create your account and make your public profile public. So make sure to watch it. And if you have any queries, to let me know in the comments. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.